Hello guys, today I'm gonna answer the question which type of fast food packaging you can put into the Samsung microwave ME. So of the fast food packaging you can put inside the polyester cups and containers, but it can be used for to warm food. Overheating may cause the polyester to melt. The paper bags or newspaper you cannot put in. It's restricted because it may catch a fire. And recycled paper or metal trims you cannot put inside because this may cause of arcing. And that's it. So from the fast food packaging you can use only the polyester cups and containers for warming, no overheating the food. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.